What percent of 8 3/4 is equal to 2 1/2? Anytime you are going to see what percent, mark this by n. Of stands for multiplication. I have 8 3/4 is equal 2 1/2. The very first thing which you're supposed to do in your equation, you have to convert mixed number to improper fractions. That's why I'm going to multiply 4 by 8, and the result I'm going to add to the numerator. The same story I'm going to repeat with this mixed number, times plus. That's why I'm going to have n times 4 times 8 is 32, plus 3 is 35. 35 over 4 equals 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 over 2. Now, because I have multiplication, right, I can eliminate 3. I can eliminate 35 over 4 by dividing both sides equation by 35 over 4. 35 over 4. Okay, let me put these fractions in parentheses in order to make sure that we're going to see them better. So 35 over 4 and 35 over 4 will cancel out. Okay, and I'm going to end up with n equals 5 over 2. Now divide, remember the fraction bar represents division. Remember, anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy first fraction down, and division we have to change to the multiplication, and second fraction we have to flip upside down. In other words, we have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. That's why I'm going to have 4 over 35. Okay, remember, fraction bar represents division. I convert division to the multiplication. Check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. Remember, we can do that kind of reducing only for the multiplication. 5 and 35, both of them are divisible by 5. 4 and 2, both of them are divisible by 2. So that's why you are going to have 1 over 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times 4 divided by 2 is 2, over 35 divided by 5 is 7. The answer is 2 over 7. Now, we got this fraction. We have to get back to the problem. The problem is asking you what percent. So we have to convert this fraction to percent. Anytime you want to convert fraction to percent, you have to multiply that fraction by 100%. And because I'm dealing with fraction, I'm going to convert 100% to fraction. Next, check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. We cannot. So simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. So I'm going to have n equals 200% over 7. This is improper fraction. Most of the time we have to convert improper fraction to the mixed numbers. That's why I'm going to divide 200 by 7. 7 goes into 20 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract is 6. Bring down 0. How many times 7 goes into 60? Goes 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract, and I got 4. Okay, so my answer is 28 and 4 over 7. So in this case, this is going to be called 28 and 4 over 7%. 5%. This is the solution to my problem.